All right, so as you can see, it goes perfectly with our cloud lightning ceiling. The color is much more beautiful in person. I know it's hard to see with the camera sometimes, but in person it's much more beautiful. Makes it really nice. It makes this office really stand out with our other colors. Hello my friends, and welcome back. Today we are showing you the smart LED bulbs. So these allow you to have remote access, on, off, or dim, device sharing, voice controlled, grouping, scheduling, worked with Alexa and Google Assistant. So these are colored bulbs. You can do multiple colors, or you could go back to the plain old simple white, warm, and blue light if you'd like. So I'm going to be showing you guys an opening package, testing the bulbs out. This is a 6-pack. All my reviews are honest. They are upfront, and I tell you guys how it is. So this is it. Let's go ahead and see. It's 800 lumens, 120 volts. It takes 9 watts per bulb. Nice pack. You get the nice manual. In the manual, it's going to show you the app that you need to download to use these. So go ahead and make sure you do that. We're going to go ahead and install 2 of these just to demonstrate, show you the different color. See you guys in a bit. All right, so right away when you plug them in, they're going to blink, and that means they're ready for pairing. So make sure you go under the app and you pair these so that way you can use them. Okay, now that we've connected to it, they stop blinking, and we're going to go ahead and play with the colors. So as you guys can see right now, we have it pointing at the lights. I can control them. So as you guys saw, we just turned them off. We're going to turn out all of our other lights, and we can, with the press of our phone, we can go ahead and turn each one on individually. We can set timers. We can go ahead and set up color. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So let's do color. Now, as you can see, we are going through the whole color scheme. Actually, it's a little hard for you guys to see with both of them turned on, so we're going to turn the one off. There you go. Now you guys can see this much better. As we go through the color scheme, you guys can see that we can change the color. I will show you the app as well. But we can do different colors. You can do different brightness. We can do different scenes. So under different scenes, it will operate differently. If we do colorful, it then will rotate. We can then edit and do the speed, color mode very quickly to a different color. Overall, really nice. Turn them on, turn them off. You can schedule the lights, put these lights anywhere you want in your house, anywhere. They're really nice, absolutely work perfectly.